What's up, folks? This is Wesley billion dollar Virgin. In this video, I'm gonna show you how to watch videos like this, YouTube videos like this one, as you're looking at my screen right now, and earn free Bitcoin. Listen, you could be in your bedroom, you could be on vacation, you could be tall, you could be dumb, smart, old, young, and you can do this. And guess what? It's free. Okay, now listen, you know who I am. Go ahead and sub to the channel. Show me some love, because I'm going to continue to show you love every single day. I upload new strategies to make money online, and this is one of my best because Bitcoin is going insane. Listen, let me share with you what I've done so far. You see that this is my Coinbase account, and as you can see here, I hit over $55,000. And this technique, I thank God for it because it's free and it's easy, okay? And what I'm going to give you a disclaimer is this is not going to make you rich. Okay, this is not going to allow you to buy yourself a private jet, but it will put a couple of $1,000s in your Bitcoin account, because as Bitcoin starts to rise, and it's rising right now, everybody's talking about it, and you need to get some right now. Okay, and the great thing about it, all you need to do is just watch videos. Okay, it's a new website, no one knows about it, but I do, and I'm gonna give it to you for free. Go ahead and smash the like. Let's go! Sub to the channel. Let's go! And let's get started here. All right, now listen, pay close attention. Don't miss anything, because I'm gonna go very, very slow. First website is earncrypto.com. Now, what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna start from scratch here. Now, earncrypto.com is very simple. It basically allows you to watch videos and do different things on the website to earn crypto. It'll be deposited in your Coinbase account, or you can release the money from Earn Crypto every single time that you earn money here, okay? So what I'm going to do is I'm going to show you how it's done. And as you can see here, over 50,000 payments have been sent. Can you imagine if you're receiving payments every single day to your Coinbase account to eventually start to make thousands and thousands of dollars? Well, this is what I do. You know, it's easy, it's fun, and the great thing about this, I can just do it in my bed, in my underwear. No more 9-to-5 grind. I don't have to wait for a boss to tell me what to do. Screw bosses, right? So listen, this is what I want you to do. Click on join. Very simple, right? Then here for username, you can put take action. You can put billionaire. Whatever your goal is, this is what I like to do personally as a multi-millionaire. My username is always reflective of my goal. Mine is like to do $1 billion. Currently, I'm at $1 million a month. And listen, no one can really live off that. Listen, I get it. I know you guys think I'm a butthole right now, but listen, you got to have goals, okay? So take action, and you put your email address here. I'm gonna use any email address, okay? Password. See that? I'm not a robot here. Sign up now. Save password. Boom, I'm in the account. Now you can see it's all zeros, but as you listen to my video here, you will start to discover how you'll start learning and earning money fast. It's very simple. You go to earn. You can do different things. Complete surveys, complete jobs, data entry. I recommend, honestly, myself, because I've tested it and it works here. Watch videos, and as you can see here, you just watch videos. You get 0.04, 0.2, and listen, it's not like a ton of Bitcoin, but it's some Bitcoin, because Bitcoin went from a couple of dollars to $50,000, and you have people out there that are saying it's going to hit 200,000. So listen, $200,000. So I would rather have Bitcoin than not have it. Does that make sense? Smash the like button. Let's go. Right? Be smart. Be an investor here. So you see all this information here. You could do all this stuff here just by watching these videos, clicking on here, and you will start to earn the Bitcoin, okay? Now, let me give you another site. Now, listen. At the very end, I'm going to give you it's a trick, okay, to get this done on autopilot. This is how I make all my good money, right? This is what, this 55,000, this is nothing, right? But I'm going to show you something else that's going to blow your mind, so make sure you watch to the very end here, okay? So that's easy how to do this. You just sign up and just watch videos all day. You do it already. You're on YouTube. You watch videos now, so watch it and get Bitcoin deposits. The next thing is what's called Crypto Tab. Now, this is an app from Google Play, and it's so simple. All you need to do is install the freaking browser tab to your Google Chrome, whatever. And once you install it, every time that you watch videos and every time that you interact while the tab is activated, you start to mine Bitcoin, okay? So you'll start to mine it, and it will come in as you're browsing your computer. As you can see here, over 80,000 people say this is the tab to use. So all you have to do is just go to Google Chrome, right? And you just install it. That's it. Go to Google Chrome. You have to download Google Chrome. Do you hear me? If you don't do that, it won't work, okay? You download it, and then you install it, and you just start to, and you just have, I mean, it's amazing, right? You just start to do exactly what you've been currently doing for forever. Watching videos, browsing the websites, playing games. Anything that you do, you will start to mine the Bitcoin automatically just by using this tab or this app on Google Chrome. Does that make sense? Now, let me give you another. Smash the like button if you love me. Seriously. Because I'm going to keep giving you strategies. I use about 15 to 20 strategies online to make money. And it's just powerful. Listen, this is what I tell people. Especially the people say, well, it never works for me. First of all, you have to eliminate that type of mentality, and you have to believe it does. Because people right now are making money online faster than ever. And most people, unfortunately, they're naysayers, they're negative, and they don't understand. Listen, it takes work. But listen, like right now, I'm laying down, I'm relaxed, and I'm doing this video for you. But I do this to mine Bitcoin as well. And that's why you see my Coinbase account up to $55,000. And let me do a refresh. Because I know some of you guys are like, wow, that's not real. Let me log in. Let me see if I can log in. Just want to be very transparent here. Boom, 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 boom. Boom, boom, boom. Verify my phone number here. And as you can see here, voila. Well, $55,000, right? So it works. Can you comment below that it works and that you love me because I'm being honest with you? Okay. Listen, let me go to, here's the next one. You go to Google Play again. Like I said, you have to have Google Chrome for this to work here. Go to TV2, okay? You're going to watch and earn rewards. So basically, you're going to get Bitcoin and Ethereum. Ethereum is hot right now. Seriously, like, is that like $1,000? You get some, all right? Listen, do your own research, but I'm going to say a little birdie told me to tell you to get some because I have some as well, okay? So get those things, download that app to your freaking Google Chrome, the tab, and just start watching videos. And it's so easy, step by step. And as you can see here, you have over 284,000 people who said, yes, this works. Yes, they pay out. Yes, I'm making money with the Bitcoin. Now listen, I'm not going to tell you that this is going to make you a multimillionaire. But if that's what you're looking for, if you want to make money on autopilot like myself, this is what I do online. You need to be able to understand how the online industry works. Okay, this is called Online Millionaire Mastery. In the description below, I'm gonna leave a link. It looks just like this. Pay attention to the screen before you miss it. Type in online help. You see that? Online-help. Boom, boom, boom. Hit enter, and it's gonna take you to a screen that looks just like this. Insider secrets of the most richest and most successful online marketers on the planet. Yes, I know what you're thinking. That's Ty Lopez, but you'll see once you click that and listen to that video, you'll realize some of the secrets of some of the most powerful internet marketers on the planet. Listen, I spent 7 years making no money. And then when I discovered what they were really doing, it shocked me. I made $1 million in 1 month. Imagine making $1 million in 1 month just by saying yes and getting access to this. Listen, watch the video. You don't have to get it, but if you do get it, I promise you, you will understand secrets and other ways to make money online faster and easier. Hey, this is Wesley Virgin Virgin. Let's go. Thanks for the like. Thanks for the sub. Click the link in my bio below if you need me to help you. I'm going to mentor you to the land of paradise. Did I get it?